it might just be like 30-second videos, which would suck.
Get me out of town.
Are you retarded?
This is the kitchen fun, kids. If you want to change butt naked in here, you totally could. They won't know. They'll hear us, but they won't know. Unless you unclose them, of course. What?
Am I?
Bleeding?
I thought I was, but I'm not.
You can only see your part, and you're gonna be so curious, like, what the fuck is going on? It's all trippy. We're gonna send a wind. There we go.
Do you want more than this?
I don't even know which cup I want, you know? They're both not very loyal cups. Yeah, put some more in there.
I'm guessing you're gonna take this one.
Whose DS is this and what games are here?
That's Danny's.
Can he just leave his DS in the kitchen?
Why not?
With thieving ass neighbors like me? I don't know what that is, but I hope he has a lot of fun playing it. Oh, Mandy. That's my name. Wait, my cake. I'm sorry, I almost touched your crotch. It was just my first instinct.
I might be like.
I almost missed my shorts. I have a gun in my car. I can't be a little bitch. I will fucking shoot you.
Calm down, dude.
We need to leave. Oh my god. Oh my god, my double chin's on the camera. Oh, son of a bitch. I got the two best cups.
I'm sorry, that took so long. She came in here with cake.
Fuck yeah.